What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. I'm Taku, and I just launched the kayak off the beach and doing a little fishing with several guys today. We got Danny, we got Ensei, we got Nick Fish, and we got Ish with Fish. Oh yeah, so we got a little kayak crew right now. Kayak gang. I just got bit. My tentacles got bit off.
I saw 2 whales and a bunch of birds working this morning.
I had 3 of them that got the tentacles bitten off. So I'm guessing those were croakers. But now I'm using shad and I got half of it bit off. So who knows? What? You gonna hit me? What's up, man? You guys fishing yet?
We did a little bit of halibut trolling, but...
Yeah?
Hey, what? We've got some rockfish.
Oh, yeah, well, I'll be up there like whole summer. Pretty much the whole summer, yeah. See where it takes me, you know? I don't have any plans besides that. I just gotta be up there like July 11th, and then that week we're gonna get on a charter. And then I'll just do that sponsor, and then the rest of the time, just whatever, you know.
So the band is done. Carlos was telling me a little bit about it.
Almost, dude. Like, it's getting close. It's getting close. Yeah. Yeah. You guys gotta come check it out. Well, you guys know Fisherman's Life and Die Hard Fishing. They're on his boat right there, Matt's boat, and they're fishing as well. We'll see who catches more fish, boat or kayak. Kayak gang, let's go. Tiger set up for rockfish?
I have the same rig that I do for halibut. We'll drag it around.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. Oh, I got one.
Yeah, there's fish right here.
Oh, I got a decent fish. I got an okay fish right here. Ooh, what is this?
I just haven't had fresh rockfish in forever.
Just a rockfish, probably. Yep, rockfish. Not a bad one, barely hooked. Oh gosh. Not a bad one. Oh, there's a ling. There's a ling. My gaff. Come on. Oh, big old cab. Big cab. Woo, first time using the gaff. Thank you, Carlos. That's a nice cabzon right there. Look at, something's wrong with this front camera, so I just have the back one right now. So that's why you're not getting any of these front angles. So that gaff you saw me use, I got that from my buddy Carlos. Thanks, man. And I traded him one of my knives for the gaff. Something sharp for another thing sharp. See, it's a pretty fair trade. Little snag there. Look at this, I can go backwards immediately. That's the cool thing about this kayak. Hold on. There we go. Got it out. And I'm using for bait the shad I got about a month ago from the pier in San Francisco. Turned the shad into a cabezon. Pretty good.
Oh, that's a nice
It's a pretty big. It was a pretty big.
Glad you guys are getting along.
Cause it's a pretty big.
Yeah, it is. Got a fish. Got a fish.
Expecting some brownies over here on the shrimp pot.
Oh,
Nothing huge, but
got a fish.
good for eating.
Yeah, for sure. Damn.
Oh, I think I got the ling, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Is he on?
Yeah, he's on.
Got one?
God damn
Yeah.
it.
I think I stole Danny's ling.
Hey, can I film it, Talk?
Yeah, go ahead. Come on, come. I'm gonna gaff it.
I don't know,
I'm
but
just gonna
hold it
break
on.
my rig. I'm snagged.
Got a Lingcod on. Danny just had a hitchhiker right here, and I think I stole it.
Got him?
Yeah, he's big, dude.
Took my ling.
Took Danny's Lingcod.
Nice, dude.
That's a keeper.
Let me take a look.
Nice,
He's
Talker.
like 28, 30.
You got to
Really?
use the gaff twice today.
Twice, dude. No, mine's barely like 23, 23,
Yeah, it's
24. Yeah.
That huge one that I lost.
Yep, ling with the bling bling.
So I'm using like a trap rig right now. I have two hooks. I have a treble in the back, and I have another one here. This is a big hook. This is like a 4/0 hook, and another big treble hook. It's good for lingcod and stuff. And this is a sliding snell knot that's on here, so I can adjust. And I'm using those shad, which look like little baby herring. So I think that's why they like it. And it's super frayed right here now since that lingcod, it's got teeth. So I'm just gonna slide this hook up, cut the treble off, and then just retie a little higher on the leader where it's not frayed.
Yeah, if you got a big ass herring or something.
Turn my shad into a cabezon and a lingcod. How about that?
I thought. I was like, oh god. I thought I was gonna be able to just.
Oh, Jesus. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Good one. Good one.
Nice. You're on fire, dude. Nice.
Somebody get me the ice. I'm on fire, baby. Good one.
I'll take the outside.
Another ling.
Again? Hold on. Dang it.
Running. It's running.
Another gapper?
About the same size, I think.
Go ahead. Take him out.
He's not giant, but it's big. He's a nice keeper.
Limit. First limit from the kayak.
Bang!
Got him. All right, guys. Outdoor chef life. His first lingcod limit from the kayak. But he's back, boys.
I'm back, baby.
He's back. Turned out to be a really nice day.
On the surface.
Well, I'm still fishing, guys.
Yeah, I'll still fish. I'll still get rockfish. Look at this, guys. We got Fisherman's Life and Die Hard Fishing on the boat. That's Ish with Fish on the brown kayak, or the dark green, and then Danny on the yellow. Ensei down there, and got Nick Fish. Haven't caught a lingcod in a while. I've been meaning to do a lingcod episode, so this is good. I got a nice, beautiful shot of you guys here.
Fingers covering the lens. You got an audience.
Oh man, if you lose this fish,
Oh man.
that's gonna be my
so many
thumbnail.
channels.
Hey, jump in the water.
That's gonna be my thumbnail.
Walk the plank, Adam.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Last 3 feet.
That little gaff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice blue one.
Boom!
Dude, that was a nice one, dude.
Good job. Bonk Next step is you gotta land it. Jigging that too hard.
All right, guys, turned out to be a beautiful day. Super fun day. That was great. Everybody caught fish. We all had a good time. Beautiful weather. Good to see Matt's out there. Fisherman's Life and Die Hard Fishing and Ish with Fish. Nick Fish, Danny, Ensei. Yeah, we all caught fish. We did good today. We got it done. Now let's head back in before the wind picks up. So I'm back home now. I did end up doing some cooking on the beach for the guys, but it's gonna be a separate video. It'll be the next one because it's sort of unrelated to the fishing day. And I've been wanting to do a lingcod catch and cook since we got the lingcod the other day. Let's do that. And if you remember when I did a rockfish hot fish sandwich a couple months ago, maybe 3 months ago, and I said it would be amazing with the lingcod. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna revisit that hot fish sandwich, try it with the lingcod. So let's start with the filleting. I already filleted everything the night of when I got home, and lingcod actually is really easy to fillet. For being a bigger fish, it's a nice, easy, satisfying fish to fillet. The bones are fairly soft, so when you cut through the rib cage, it goes through fairly smooth. Unlike a rockfish, rockfish have stronger rib cages, stronger bones, and more rigid, I feel like. So it's a little more challenging to fillet. But lingcod is super easy. I always like to start on the back of the fish and back left. If you're looking at it like this, the fish was swimming, I always start on this side. Just the way I do it. Go. Easy. See, we're at the spine. Oh, now I turn it around. And I go down, up, and in. There you go, and that opens it up. Now, go up the spine. Bam, bam. There you go, opens up the hole there. I hold the tail with the towel. And bam, bam. And the whole fillet will come off. And there you go. Beautiful. From the tail, boom, flip it this way. Now I start on the bottom with this side. I'm just trying to minimize the times I have to flip, because if I start on this side now, I can go to the back, and then I cut there, and I can slice off this way. Easy. Same exact thing as always. There it is. Beautiful lingcod fillet. And with the bones and the head, you can totally make a delicious fish stock out of it. And what I like to do with fish stock of this is you make miso soup with it. Make the fish stock, strain it out, and then just add some miso, and you make miso soup. 2 nice portions of the lingcod, and the first thing I'm going to start off with is a salt cure. And whenever I say salt cure, I just mean like salting it and leaving there for X amount of time. And this one, we're just going to do a fairly light salt cure. And so this is how I do it. Sprinkle a sheet pan or a plate, whatever you have, with some salt. Put the fish right on that. And then sprinkle over the top, same amount. And try to do it as evenly as possible. And we're going to leave this for about 15 minutes while we do some other stuff. And best if you leave it in the fridge. The next thing I'm gonna prepare is the buttermilk. Super easy, regular whole milk. Just gonna add some lemon juice in there, and that's pretty much buttermilk. Nice and thick. To this, I'm just gonna add some black pepper and hot sauce. I'm using Barnacle Foods Serrano Bullwhip hot sauce. This stuff is delicious. Add that in there. We're gonna basically marinate the fish in here. Nice and spicy. Good. Wow. I'm also gonna use the same buttermilk, and I'm gonna drench these onions in there. We're gonna make onion rings too, and I'm gonna do that first. Just one flat onion. It's like somebody squashed it. Can we get the awesome blossom extra awesome? You like it thick or thin? I guess thick is better. I should do it thick, huh?
Yeah, might be easier.
Yeah, it's like a quarter. Put this in the buttermilk too. Everything's going in the buttermilk, everything's going in the seasoning. I'm gonna get the flour mixture ready as well, and I'm gonna use 50-50 flour and cornstarch. That makes for a nice, perfect, crunchy, crispy outside layer when you fry it. Onion, salt, smoked paprika, and some black pepper. And we'll mix that up, and that'll be our coating for the outside. It's gonna get nice and crispy and tasty. One more thing we have to make is like the chili oil or the dipping sauce for the fish. And for that, I'm gonna use all these spices right here. Onion, salt, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, chipotle chili powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and some chili flakes. Oh, I need brown sugar too. Forgot the brown sugar. Yeah, need some of that too. And I don't measure anything really. Just eyeball everything. And a tablespoon of brown sugar. And I'm just using some canola oil. Cast iron is really good to fry in. Let's get it with the onion rings. Double dip onion rings.
Yeah.
Let's see. Well, this one. Double dip. Oh yeah, that's double dip is gonna be super crispy. Now you can see some of the moisture has come out of the fish. Just gonna do a pat dry, and we'll just throw it in that buttermilk. try this. Oh, that's massive. Mmm.
Crispy.
Mmm.
Spicy.
It's dripping. Fish is fully cooked. See there? Lingcod is so flaky. Thank you, thank you. Texture-wise, is different than rockfish and cabezon. Lingcod is a lot more flaky. It's tender. It's less firm than rockfish. It breaks apart so nicely. The birds want some. You can dip it in here too. Extra crispy onion rings.
Super crispy.
Ooh, I wasn't gonna have a beer, but it goes perfectly with things like this. A fried fish sandwich, a spicy fried fish sandwich, and a beer combined together. This is amazing. This is gonna be a go-to. And it does look exactly like chicken when it's cooked, just because that crispy outside layer, but inside is a tender, delicious, flaky fish. Oh my gosh, the texture. You can see these individual strands of muscle fibers in the lingcod. And I just dropped a little piece. 5-second rule. That was one to write down, throw in the future cookbook. Long from now. So we do have hoodies in stock if you guys want to visit my website, outdoorcheflife.com. We're still available for another week. Otherwise, we're going to close the shop down because we're going to be traveling up to Alaska. Yeah, we're going to Alaska in the van. That's our first trip. It's kind of a big trip for a first trip, but we're going to do it. And the van is pretty much complete, almost complete. So maybe in about 3 weeks you should start seeing some Alaska content.
Shrimp.
If you guys have any suggestions for Alaska, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace. I don't know, maybe a big old halibut.
Spot prawn every day. Spot
Prawn every day.
And salmon.
I'm sure we'll catch salmon too. I mean, and then there's some low tide stuff that we can do out there that we can't really do here because the tides get really low.